Think you're cleaning your bathroom right? You're probably missing the dirtiest spots? Here's the ultimate professional guide to getting every surface spotless, from grout to glass. Most people wipe surfaces and call it done, but bathrooms have hidden grime traps everywhere. Grout lines harbor mold, mirrors streak, shower glass builds soap scum, and fixtures stay dull no matter how much you scrub. Here's the pro sequence. Start with grout. Use a stiff brush with baking soda paste, scrub in circular motions, then rinse. For glass shower doors, spray with vinegar solution. Let it sit 5 minutes. Squeegee top to bottom for 0 streaks. Mirrors need microfiber and glass cleaner. Wipe in one direction only. Chrome fixtures shine with lemon juice or vinegar, buffed dry immediately. Follow this professional sequence and every surface sparkles. White grout, crystal clear glass, streak-free mirrors, and fixtures that gleam like new. That's the difference between cleaning and professional cleaning. Want professional results without the work? Our team knows exactly how to tackle every bathroom surface, leaving everything spotless from grout to glass. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today. 256-633-6332. www.bearbroscleaning.com